Meaning of first sergeant.
First sergeant.
First sergeant.
First sergeant.
First sergeant. A first sergeant is typically the senior enlisted member of a military unit. They are responsible for maintaining discipline, ensuring readiness, and supporting the welfare of the soldiers under their command. First sergeants serve as the liaison between the enlisted soldiers and the unit's commanding officers. They are also responsible for overseeing the training and professional development of their subordinates. In essence, the first sergeant is the backbone of a military unit, providing leadership and guidance to ensure its success.